Hi, it's Carly McAvoy. I'm doing a uniform motion problem today about a boat going upstream with current and downstream, upstream against the current, I should say. And so when we have that, a tugboat goes 43.2 miles upstream in 9 hours, and the return trip downstream takes 4 hours. It takes 4 hours because when it's going downstream, the current is pushing it along. So the overall speed is faster, but when it's going upstream, it's working against that current. So it's slower, so it takes more time. But we want to find the speed of the tugboat if there was no current and the speed of the current. So the tugboat assumingly goes the same speed up and down on its own, but then the current is what's changing its progress. Okay, so we have B is the speed of the tugboat in still water, and C is the speed of the current, because those are the two things we're looking for, the current and the tugboat. Okay, so if it's going with the current, it's going its speed plus the current is pushing it along faster. The speed against the current is its speed minus that current because the current is slowing it down. Okay, so we know that we have distance equals rate times time. So our distance, 43.2, which should be the same for going up and back. It takes 9 hours when they're going against the current. That's upstream goes against. Okay, and then when with the current, it only takes 4 hours, and this time they're working together, so it takes 4 hours. The distance in both of those are the same. So I'm going to divide this equation by 9 on both sides and this equation by 4 just to get that a little nicer to look at. And when I divide both of those things, I get B minus C equals 4.8 and B plus C equals 10.8. That's just dividing by 9 and dividing by 4 so that we don't have those times out front. And so now I can just add these two equations together using the addition property or elimination property, whichever way you call it. Add those together. It's going to eliminate those C's and just tell me the B that I wanted. So 4.8 plus 10.8 is 15.6. And if I divide both sides by 2, I get B equals 7.8. Since the speed of the boat and the current together is 10.8, you can see when they work together it's 10.8. Then if I take the 10.8 and subtract the boat speed, I know what the current speed is. So the boat speed is 7.8 miles per hour and the current speed is 3 miles per hour. All right, have a fantastic day.